What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, y'all? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today on the platter, we have Boxycharm's base box for the month of May. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so as I said in the intro, welcome, loves. Today we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm's base box for the month of May. I did do my premium box last week, I think I did, but I'll link it somewhere up here and down below for you guys to check that out. I was actually pleasantly surprised, and let's hope that this one is amazing as well. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, loves, so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I do have a drink today in my new little fancy cup. Isn't it cute, guys? And it has Tonyanicole on the bottom. My mom had this made for me for Mother's Day, and I absolutely love it. So we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Now let's quickly do some specs on Boxycharm and then unbox it. This one is $25 a month. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of around $175. They do let you customize 1 item each month, and we just had June's customization, and I think I like the choices that I had this time. I'm gonna have to go back and check, but I think it was a lot more makeup this month. I do have a link down below, guys, if you all want to subscribe to this box. So, guys, without further ado, let's get this one right here on and popping. Boo. A dance break and a drink break. All right, we got our little box cutter. I'm going to slice her open because I ain't opened her yet. When we open it up, ooh, okay. That's what she's looking like on the inside. And I'm going to set her on down. The red always symbolizes the base box. We do get a cord. So last time I thought this said flowish, and that was very stupid. But the theme for the month is flourish. But if you can see how it looks, it's like a W. So my bad. And on the back is a list of the products as well as description and prices. We're going to go over all of that. I will put my variation towards the end of the video, so let's just go. First up on top is from Skin Inc., and this is the My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth, and Lift. It's a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan, and that's what we're looking like with that. And you get 20 milliliters of product in here. Let's open it up real quick. Ooh, the packaging is gorgeous. Can y'all see that? I love that it have like these little beads in it. It's very, very, very pretty. I'm not going to open this because it is sealed up, but let's read up about this little baby. And this is a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid that delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. And this right here, my loves, retails for $65. Ooh. Why y'all think like these little serums be so expensive? Is it the hyaluronic acid? I mean, I thought that was fairly cheap. Let me know in the comments, girl. I don't know. It's kind of pricey. Next up out of the box, guys, is from Murad, and I think I chose this product. If it's wrong, I correct at the bottom of the screen. But this is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Mask right there. And in here you get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. Now, I do live in a country, so I don't know why I would pick a city mask, but this is the packaging right here. Murad is one of my favorite brands. I do love it. Oh, you're supposed... I think you kind of push down on this top right here. I'm not going to do it, but I love the packaging. It's very chic. I love it. All right, so it says on the card here, guys, that this detoxifies and revitalizes your skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthens the skin's barrier. Lord. While you sleep, Girl, this thing is $74 and you get 1.7 ounce of product. Ooh, girl, 79 bucks. Okay. I do like Murad though, I really do. All right, next up, guys, is from Sophie and Mabel. This right here. And this appears to be a hydrating hybrid 2-in-1 lipstick balm. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is what the packaging is looking like right there. We open it up. Oh, it's pretty. And that's what it looks like. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Ooh. Oh, no. I thought it would have been darker, but on my skin, it's coming across very ashy. I'll pass this on to my mother, y'all. But let me read up on this. That this hydrating hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to help those lips stay silky smooth, but with full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you're in need of a little extra moisture and a subtle pop of color. But for me, it would be a subtle pop of like death, because that's gonna make my mouth look crackhead ashy. No. And this retails for $15. Up next, we have from Trusky, and this is a brow pencil and brow gel in espresso. Now, we used to get a lot of Trusky's products before, but for a while they kind of like slowed down with them, but they are back. And this is the packaging right here, my loves. So on this side, you have your brow pencil, which is shaped like kind of like on an angle. Can y'all see that? Yeah, and it's espresso. So I think this color will actually go really well with my skin tone. And on the bottom here, you twist it. And this is the little spoolie. It's the brow gel in the shade espresso. Okay, I mean, I could use it. I love to draw my brows in and fill them in with brow gel. So I'm cool with this. And this right here, guys, retails for 26 bucks. Wow. And this is a new launch from Trusky. Okay. 2-in-1 brow pencil and gel. All right, then our last product is a palette. Let's open this baby up. And it's from Cab Cosmetics. It's a Day Plus Night palette. Now, funny thing, I saw this brand in Walmart the other day when I was shopping. I was like, oh, I didn't know they sold this in Walmart. So now some of their prices that they be advertising, I'm kind of like side-eyeing because, boo, you in Walmart. Which, I mean, it's not bad, but, you know. This is what it looks like, guys. Ooh, when we open up, oh, this is beautiful. We get a mirror. Hey, boo. All right, guys, and this is the palette right here. Oh my goodness. Now, I was very, very, very shocked when I opened this. First of all, the shimmer shades are gorgeous. The matte shades are as well. You get this beautiful little brown here, all of these orangey shades. I think this will really create a perfect day to night look. I absolutely love this palette. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm currently working on a declutter video and I have so many palettes, so I won't swatch this, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm probably gonna keep it and it's beautiful. So let me see what this retails for, loves. And whoa, okay. This is also a new launch. This is $52. Now, I don't know about $52, but it's 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime look. Play around with bolder, darker shades at night. $52. Please, please, please let me know in the comments. Please, please, please let me know in the comments if you would buy this for $52. I don't think I would. Well, I know I wouldn't. All right, loves, that was our final product in this month's Boxycharm base box. Let's do a quick recap and we're going to do some final thoughts, okay? So we received this palette right here from Cab Cosmetics. From Murad, this overnight cream moisturizer. From Sophia and Mabel, this hydrating lip balm. From Skin Inc., this hyaluronic serum. And from Trusky, this brow pencil and gel. So these 5 products right here, my loves. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the total of the box somewhere around this area here. My variation number is the letter C, number 2105108 BA. My final thoughts on this box was I thought it was a pretty decent box. I'm not superly like, oh my God, excited about it, but I thought for the most part it was pretty decent. I love the palette. I love the Murad product, and I'm excited for trying out this Trusky brow pencil and gel. So these three I am excited about. The serum here and the hydrating lip balm, they're okay. I mean, I'm definitely giving away. I may try the serum, or I may just pass it along, but I thought it was just an okay box this month. I'm not mad, but I'm not super excited either. So I'm like in the middle. So I would probably rate it like a 2.5 maybe, yeah, to 3. Let's do that, 2.5 to 3. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you would rate this box. Let me know if you got your box and what you got in it, if you like it, if you hate it, whatever the case may be. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please, please, please do so. Give this video a big thumbs up. I love to see you guys interact with me, so please leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will talk to you all in the comments and see you on my next video. Bye. Oh, we have a nail video Monday at 1 p.m. So please set your reminders and your notifications. We're going to be swatching some nail polish Monday, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, that's all I have. I'm going to drink out my twin. And have a good day, guys. Bye.